From this guava, it's 2. And it's nearly ripe na, guys. So this one, this is the feeds of the chicken. This is the feeds of the chicken, guys. Look at the chicken there. Where's the chicken na? There, oh. Chicken. Guavas. And the farm, rice field, rice farm with a lot of fogs. Look at that. It's foggy na, foggy. See? The foggy fogs. Fogs. And may guavas there, oh. Guavas. This is ampalaya, guys. Wala pang bunga. Malit pa siya. See, thank you.